Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone display is just zoomed in way too much. So you can still kind of like move around the display a little bit if you can even try so. But the way to go ahead and fix this, there's a few different ways to do it. This may basically mean that your iPhone display is zoomed in. So the reason why this happens is because you have the zoom option enabled on your iPhone. So the quickest way to go ahead and fix this is to actually go ahead and use 3 fingers and double tap the display with 3 fingers. So to do this, you can be on any display on your iPhone and just go ahead and double tap the display like this with 3 fingers, and that should go ahead and zoom out for you. If that doesn't, you can go ahead and power down your iPhone. So hold down the buttons that you normally would. You can click the volume up button and the power up button right there. Keep holding them down until your phone fully restarts. And when it goes ahead and fully restarts, well, all you'll have to do there is go ahead and just, go back into your settings, and you may want to go ahead and disable these zoom in settings. So in this case, if you're the zooming in and everything, you don't want to do it anymore, you can hop into your settings like this. You'll come into this panel. You then want to scroll down until you see accessibility, which is right here. And when you're in accessibility, you'll see this little zoom option. All you want to do is make sure the zoom option is turned off. If this zoom option is enabled like it is right now, well, that is pretty much the problem, and that's the main reason why you're experiencing this issue. So go ahead and disable the zoom option, and at that point, you shouldn't be able to have that specific zoomed in option anymore for your specific iPhone. So that's pretty much the process. If you have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.